Let me just put you in handcuffs.
No, AJ, why is
come
your
here.
passcode to your
AJ,
phone?
I'm not doing. I'm staying right here.
I can't help you if you don't give me your fucking password to your phone. Give it to me.
Stop.
Give it to me.
Turn around and talk to her.
Give it to me.
I'm sorry.
What is it? I can't help you.
Listen, just get back on your boat. You can give me the F3.
AJ,
but look,
I can't
I'm gonna
help
go
you.
home.
Hi. You guys got any fish?
What?
Fish!
You're messing up our little school we got going right here.
Okay, I get that.
Fishing, we live right there.
All right, well, I'd get a lot of your hair a lot faster if you'd let me ask you a question.
Yes, ma'am?
Have you all seen a chug?
A what?
A chug, like a KW, it said KW37.
No, ma'am. There is a big dead loggerhead up on the beach behind our house right now.
Okay, well, now you have no numbers on there. Do you have the registration for the boat?
It's not my boat. It's my roommate's.
Okay.
Okay, well, it's got no numbers.
Right 1332 Atlantic.
Okay, that's fine. You're on the water. Doesn't matter where you live.
Yep.
You got an ID on you?
We need both of yours.
942 Maritime.
No, just, you're fine. All right.
This is, I work on the Gulf Stream, Key West. This is one of our other mates, Ethan. His trailer got towed the other day, so we tied it up behind our house.
Okay.
So it's just been there, so we kind of popped out.
Do you know the registration for this? Do you have it on board?
Nope. Unless it's in here. Like I said, it's not my boat.
Well, that sucks because you're operating a vessel.
There you go.
Okay, perfect.
There you go. How about that?
Let's see if...
Yeah, I thought y'all were looking for a chub.
Well, we were until we saw you had violations on the
Did you?
on the water. Sure did.
Okay. Hopefully his shit's in order. Like I said,
Well, it's not because...
he told me I was good to take his boat out, so...
Well, if you're a captain, don't you supposed to got numbers on it and shit?
You're a cop. Aren't you supposed to be fucking catching people breaking the law and shit?
We are. You have a crime on the water.
Sir, I don't know what your attitude is, but just relax. It's not that deep. It really isn't.
For a chub.
Yeah, and then obviously we're addressing violations that we address because we're a cop and that's what we do.
AJ.
Okay, you're still on the water, but you are arguing with us. It's ridiculous.
Ah,
I'm sorry.
shut up.
Every time I take her out, something happens and she gets mad at me. So.
Just shut up.
Like
Is that why you're freaking out?
What?
You got a warrant?
I don't know.
Is that why you're freaking out?
I'm not freaking out about anything.
You are.
This isn't my boat.
My point is like usually when people start acting like that, it's because they got a warrant.
Do I have one?
Well, that's what she's saying. You're wanted. Yeah, you have a warrant.
What?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking.
Come
Okay,
on
can
now.
you send the confirmation?
No.
Thank you.
A routine maritime registration stop in Monroe County, Florida, escalated into a felony arrest driven entirely by an ignored warrant and a cascade of self-inflicted legal consequences. Florida statute section 328.72 requires all vessels to display registration numbers while underway. No numbers lawful stop. Simple. Under Terry versus Ohio 392 U.S. 1, decided in 1968, that visible violation provided sufficient reasonable suspicion to detain and investigate. Dispatch returned an active arrest warrant, $30,000 bond, for a January 2024 Tarpon killing at City Marina, Key West. Florida statute section 379.2431. Tarpon is strictly catch and release. Killing one is a third-degree felony. The subject had been on the run from that charge for 3 months. Under Florida statute section 901.15, a confirmed warrant removes all officer discretion. The arrest is mandatory. There is no negotiation.
Thank you.
I'm in my backyard. Look, I don't like dealing with these
I
people.
know,
Every
but
time
you
it
need
goes
to
wrong for
relax.
me.
They're asking you a question. Answer the question.
Okay, cool.
Stop freaking out.
Hey, listen. You have a warrant, and they're going to confirm it, all right?
what?
I don't know what for what. What's in your hand? Okay, cool. My question is this. Are you going to fight me, or are you going to run?
So you tell me this. Are you about to take me to jail?
Probably.
Then, like, for
Can
real.
we wait for the confirmation and
Look,
stop
I didn't do
defending
nothing
our
wrong.
I'm not saying you did. Listen. Hey, look at me. You, don't add another
I don't want
charge.
to go to jail on a Sunday, and I can't do nothing about
Well,
it.
hey, listen. It's better because at least Monday.
not.
Yes, it is because at least it's not Friday.
Okay, so...
And all, listen. Look at me. Regardless,
Stop.
Anthony, look at me. Regardless, I still have to do my job. But don't add another charge and have to stay in longer. All right? It's
No,
not
you're
worth
right.
it.
You're right, but no, I don't have any warrants that I know about.
Okay.
Other than...
Other than what?
If you... Look, listen,
I am listening.
I'm not trying to add another charge.
I understand.
I'm not trying to do nothing stupid. I
Okay.
was not doing nothing wrong. We were in our backyard. So, If I jump in the water and swim away right now, what's going to happen?
I'm gonna follow you, and
Okay.
we're gonna say that you're running, and that's fleeing and
But am I
eluding.
running right now, or am I in my backyard? Because you haven't told me I'm under arrest or I have a warrant. So right now, if I jump in the water and swim
Then you're
away, be
fleeing
real
and
with me.
eluding. I'm telling you. Listen to what I'm saying. You are not free to leave. You are not free to leave.
I don't have anything that I did
It
wrong.
doesn't matter. You are detained right now.
You are being detained. If you flee and elude, it's a third-degree felony. Or it's actually a first-degree
But you're telling
felony.
me you're taking me to jail today regardless.
If the warrant comes back, yes.
So can you talk to me first? Like, because right now you're like trying to, I feel attacked right now and like.
I'm way on the other boat. I'm just
You're
holding
saying
the
a
boat.
protection order.
AJ, look at me. Please
Haley.
just sit down and let them finish this whole thing without freaking out.
It's just
Without
not gonna help
freaking
anything.
out.
Yes,
You
I
are-
understand. This is stressful. I'm stressed for you and with you, but please, you're making it worse.
Yeah, man.
I
Please.
didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. You
I
don't
just-
even know I'm AJ. I could be Ethan Cook right now, right?
Oh my God, shut up.
Like, come on. Like, I'm
When?
just saying.
Like-
Why are you, like, do you really feel like I need to go to jail today?
It's not my
It's not
feeling.
our choice. It's
Okay.
not. We're not charging you. If you have a warrant, then legally our job is we have to take you to jail.
But you
Well,
don't know
if you
yet,
go,
right?
listen, if you jump in the water and swim away, you're adding a felony.
It's just
So,
not worth
But
it.
you don't know
Stop.
yet, right?
What are
No,
you
I don't
doing?
know.
You don't know yet if I'm wanted, right?
I don't know.
So, technically,
But
I
you're
have
not
known
free to
that
leave.
yet.
I'm telling you right
I'm
now.
under arrest.
You are being detained.
9442
You are detained.
Marathon.
Okay.
You are detained.
I
You're
need
not-
94.
you're
If you can, anybody on land.
Haley,
Legally,
He's
you are not
threatening
free
to
to leave.
jump in the water.
I'm not
Legally,
fighting
you are not
you.
free to leave.
I'm not saying you're fighting
Why are
me.
you doing that?
Just
You're asking stupid questions.
Listen. I'm not doing that.
Stop.
I'll deal with it the right way when I can have a
Yeah,
lawyer
you're
take
not
me to
right
court and
now.
like do it. Not
You
because
can say
I
that
don't wanna
whenever
go to
this
jail.
is done.
what is he saying?
Stop.
Like, come on, guys, for real. Why do you want to take me to jail
I
today?
don't want to take you to
Let
jail.
me know I have something that I need to handle, and I'll
I
do
can't
it.
do
That's
that.
not how that works, unfortunately. Like,
Okay.
it's just not how it
I'm
works.
sorry.
Can you just stop?
I understand it's frustrating. I understand no one wants to hear those words. We get it. We're not.
So y'all are just gonna leave her by her own if I go swim away.
No.
No, if anything,
Like,
listen,
you see what I'm saying right
Anthony.
now? It's not fair. This is
It's
not fair.
This isn't like a bartering thing. That's a
I'm
thing.
not trying to barter with you.
Stop talking.
They were looking.
Please, for me, shut the fuck up.
They're telling me
Shut
they're gonna take me to jail
up! Okay,
unless they
I
tell them it's a
understand.
protection warrant.
Stop talking.
The protection has nothing to do with it. The protection order is completely different. Whenever I was asking about the protection order, I was trying to make sure you weren't with the person that you were with the protection order. That has nothing to do with it. Anthony,
Bro, like you're trying to take. Like, I work here, I live here, I'm local.
We
Why, like I didn't do
understand.
nothing wrong,
Look, we
man.
understand the frustration.
But you want to
We're
take me to
not-
jail instead of telling me, hey AJ, figure it out and take care of it tomorrow.
That is
Like
just
that's
not-
how you do with
that's-
somebody that you work here with.
That's
You're
not
trying
how
to take
it
me to
works.
jail and say at
Legally,
least
we
you
are
can
not
do it
allowed to.
tomorrow.
They're
Legally,
not
we
trying to do
cannot
anything
interact
right
with
now.
someone with a
You
warrant
just won't
immediately.
stop running your mouth.
But they said they don't know if I have a
Stop
warrant.
talking, please.
I understand it's frustrating. I'm not saying it's not frustrating. I understand. And I'm sorry you're feeling this way, truly. But from our job, we cannot speak to someone with a warrant and then be like, okay, deal with it later. That's just.
I understand. I understand. So, but the question that I asked initially wasn't that.
listen. So either you jump in the water and you're fleeing police, regardless.
Now I have an F3 plus the warrant, right?
Yes.
So now I have 2 warrants. that I
And then
have
if
to
you
deal with.
resist, that's another one.
I'm not resisting you.
I'm not saying
Right
that. I'm
now,
saying
you
if
haven't-
Can you please stop
Yeah,
talking?
I'm about to stop
Thank
talking.
You. No, you're not. You haven't done that for like 20 minutes.
so. Listen. What I'm saying is this: when I put handcuffs on you, if you resist me, that's another charge.
I'm not going to.
I'm not saying you are. I'm
if
trying
I-
to give
but
you
if I
put
do
the.
this after
Hey,
you-
listen. God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth to listen twice as good, right? So listen to what I'm saying.
Whatever, please.
I don't want to add charges onto this. You could be out tomorrow morning, right? Your bond could be like $500, and you're literally out as soon as you get there. Does that make sense?
You didn't tell me that yet.
My point is, listen, man. Look at me. I can even tell you. Let me see. I'll look it up for you. Listen, man, you got violations on the water. That's that. All right? Number 2, your bond is going to be $3,000. Because it's $30,000 total, you pay 10%. It says to destroy Tarpon bond, photo and science bond, something Tarpon, hook, line and gear bond, something about Tarpon. So the warrant, regardless, because we are here now, we have to take him to jail. But if you have $3,000, you can bail him out as soon as he gets in. Or you can get a bail bondsman, and then as long as you show up to court, they won't come after you.
Okay. But I'm gonna swim home right now.
Okay, well,
So,
I'm going to follow you, and there's...
Stop. You can listen. I don't have the $3,000 to get out today. Go. I'm
AJ,
not.
I swear to fucking God, I will be gone tomorrow if you jump
If they
in that
take
water.
me to jail and I let them take me.
No, if you go in there, it's worse.
It is worse. You're adding a third-degree felony. You're adding a felony on top of that. You're not going to have any money.
And give me your boss.
You will never be able to get a notice to appear. Like, you're screwing yourself legally for long term if you do that. It's just not worth it. The judge is going to look at it.
Exactly.
It's just not going to help you.
It is not going to help you. You're going to end up screwing yourself. Notice to appear. All right?
What is your password for your phone?
That's fine.
Officers communicated detention status explicitly and repeatedly, satisfying the constitutional standard established under Terry. You are not free to leave is not optional language. It is required. One significant legal concern: an officer demanded the subject's phone passcode without a court order. The Fifth Amendment protects against compelled IT, testimonial disclosures, and passcode demands fall squarely within that protection. The 11th Circuit, which governs Florida, has trended toward treating compelled passcode disclosure as testimonial and therefore unconstitutional, absent a warrant or court order. This demand was legally unsupported.
Guarantee that.
Let me just put you in handcuffs.
AJ, what is
Come
your
here.
passcode to your
AJ,
phone?
I'm staying right
I
here.
can't help you if you don't give me your fucking password to your phone. Give it to me.
Stop.
Give it to me.
Turn around and talk to her.
Give it to
Listen,
me.
I'm sorry.
What
but
is it?
listen,
I can't help you.
Listen, just get back on your boat. You can give me the F3.
AJ,
but
I
look,
can't
I'm gonna
help
go home.
you.
You're not taking me to jail today.
Well,
Stop.
you're going to add resisting because I'm going to
No,
stop you from
I'm
resisting.
not resisting unless you
AJ,
tell me to stop.
AJ, stop!
Listen,
AJ.
you're telling me I'm resisting and I'm not.
You are because I'm
Work
telling
with
you
me.
to come here.
You can
You
give
work
me
with
the other
me.
charge. Give me the other
Give me
charge
the
and tell them I
code.
swam away.
No.
Give me the code. I need it. I can't
Can
help
you go
you.
on radio and tell him he's trying to leave?
I
You
don't
can. Tell him I'm trying to leave. That's fine.
Have your
No,
I'm not
you're
boss's
going to
resisting.
come here. Come
AJ,
here.
I
You're
don't have
resisting
your fucking
now.
boss's
No,
phone
no.
number. I don't have any way to do anything, AJ. I am gone after this. I'm telling you.
He's also
I'm leaving.
resisting without violence.
I'm leaving. I can't. I don't know how to drive a boat.
We will be right back.
We'll be right back.
Sorry, you stay there for me.
He needs help.
We will be right back for her. She's anchored. Then you should have made the decision to sit with your girlfriend if you're worried about her, because she's anchored right now. You're leaving her. Think about that.
You're more worried about me than her?
She's fine right now. She's not in distress. She's anchored.
Look at her.
You are being selfish right now. Stop. Stop. Do not put this on anyone else. You are projecting and displacing blame. Stop.
She needs help.
Grow up. Stop.
Yo, well, good. You added 2 charges.
Come on.
There's no come on.
Please go help her.
No.
She's fine. We're going to go right back for her when you're done doing your
If I
shit.
got the charges, then let me go.
No.
You're being emotional. You're letting your emotions get the best
If I
of you.
got the charges, let me go.
No.
It's not that
Let
deep,
me go
dude.
if I
It's
got
not
the
that
charges,
deep.
dude. If
Just
I
get in
got
the
them
boat.
already.
Just get in the freaking boat.
Hey, where are you by land?
You're not gonna make him go away. So I get it. Go help her, please.
No. We're going to help her
I'm
after.
gonna come this way, and he's trying to swim to land. I don't think he's gonna make it, but
Come to the boat. Go help her.
That's fine. That's cool. We're just
Doesn't
going to wait
know
for
how to
you.
Drive the boat. She's fucking floating away.
yeah, please, sounds good.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, you're the one that did that. Don't blame me for
Did
your
I?
problem.
Yes,
you
you
did.
We just told you 3 times, dude.
No anchor on the boat.
So what's the line?
She's drifting away.
What is the line going to the bottom of the ocean?
Y'all are fucking out of control. Y'all are out of control.
The only one out of control right now is you. I don't understand how you don't see that.
You already gave me 2 charges. Who cares?
We offered for you to not have that be the case. I don't understand why you're acting like we chose to do that.
Yeah, he's fleeing and eluding right now. You're swimming into my boat. I don't know, a warrant. A warrant.
Please don't run over.
I'm not touching you. I'm not even near you.
No one is gonna run over you. I can guarantee that.
But now you're making yourself a felon.
I'm just gonna hop up. Are you done or what? Seriously, this is absolutely fucking ridiculous. We're done. We're done. We're done.
Come on, man.
Yeah, what did you think was gonna happen? Seriously, what did? Dude, stop. You fucking stop.
Hey, I'm not.
All right,
You are.
then figure it out.
I'm not.
Stop fucking moving then.
Hey, I'm not.
Stop.
I'm not doing it.
You just were. Do you not know how to? We're past that point. So far past, it's not even fucking funny.
Is that a cop right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all cops.
You're just being an idiot. I don't get why. I really don't.
I'm trying to fucking leave.
That's not an option. What are you comprehending?
No, this is the guy that like stabs the tarpon repeatedly and that sort of thing.
We gotta go help his poor fucking girlfriend though, because she can't run a boat and she's literally sitting out there anchored.
When the subject entered the water, Florida statute section 843.18 activated, fleeing or eluding a law enforcement officer by water, a standalone third-degree felony. He had been warned, repeatedly. Under Graham versus Connor, 490 U. S. 386, decided in 1989, Force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. Officers here use no intermediate weapons, proportionate, legally sound. Outcome: 2 of 3 new charges, no information filing by the prosecutor. 1 charge transferred via change of venue. Trial tentatively set October 2024. As of early 2026, unresolved. 2 active bench warrants outstanding in Monroe County after the subject failed to appear in April and May of 2024. A $3,000 bond situation became a multi-felony fugitive record. Grades: FWC officers B, lawful stop, clear detention advisements, proportionate force, genuine transparency on bond process. Deducted for an unconstitutional passcode demand and unprofessional language during a nonviolent encounter. Subject Anthony C+. He did not resist violently and invoked counsel appropriately, but he ignored a felony warrant for 3 months, fled into open water, and accumulated bench warrants by failing to appear. Every decision compounded the last. Companion A-. Attempted de-escalation throughout, did not obstruct officers, maintained composure. A brief moment encouraging flight prevents a full A. Lessons learned: 1. Ignoring a warrant does not resolve it. It guarantees the worst possible arrest circumstances. 2. Flight always adds charges. Fleeing by water in Florida is a third-degree felony independent of whatever triggered the stop. The legal math never favors running. 3. Officers must know the limits of detention authority. A passcode demand without a court order is a Fifth Amendment violation, not a procedural footnote. 4. Compliance preserves options: bond out, appear in court, retain legal credibility. Flee, fail to appear, accumulate warrants, and face a judge who has seen the pattern before. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.